Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. On this episode I'm going to show some examples of the Matchbox Volvo truck. This first one is from 1982. It is called the cable truck. It was only available in 1982, only in this color. So this is kind of a flatbed truck with this plastic piece on it that is like two cylinders that have a steel wire on them, or cables. So they actually work, so in theory you could actually wind up some wire on this if you want it. Here on the base it says 1 to 90 scale and just Volvo on the front axle. Matchbox, copyright 1981, Lesney, England. In the front it also says Volvo and the characteristic grille. I bought this one second hand for cheap, but it still looks very good for its age. Let's give it a spin. Then also in the same year, in 1982, this one was released. This is one from my childhood collection. This is the zoo truck. So it has a cage on the flatbed part with two lines in there, male and female line. It comes off and you see these two holes. That's where these two clips go into. It's not fixed on there, I don't know why. So you can take it off. Thankfully I did not lose mine. So from 1982 till 1983 it had a blue cage. From 1984 till 1985 it had a gray cage. And those were the only years it was produced. Then in 1984 Matchbox released a 3-axle truck. This one is not a flatbed, as you can see. Well, it is kinda, but it has these sidewalls. And there would be some kind of a plastic canopy on top of here with some names on there from companies like Ferry Masters, as you can see here, and Pirelli and others. These were produced from 1984 till 1999. Then in 1985 they released the most common one, the container truck. So as you can see here, Volvo container truck, moving parts, that will be the doors from the container. This is the back. So this particular version was released in 1991 only. This one kind of fits a little bit better on the base. So these doors do open. And then I also have this version. Here it says new color, also number 23, like the other one. This is a 1994 version. Also with the opening doors, of course. This is a little bit better fixated to the bed. Altogether there were about 12 different versions of the container truck, 12 different liveries and colors. That does not include the local commercial versions, like I have this one here from my childhood collection. So this is a version from a Belgian supermarket that no longer exists. So that's kind of cool to have as a unique piece, as it says here on the container. That was probably not available in other countries outside of Belgium. This is probably, I'm guessing, from 1985 or 1986, because it was released in blue in the international mainline version, and that's probably the date I can put on this one. Then the last two versions I don't have. In 1997 and 1998 they released a stake bed truck, and in 1999 they released the aquarium truck that had a water tank with a shark in it. So that's the only two versions I cannot show you. Maybe I'll find them in the future and show them, or do another video with all of these, who knows. That's it. I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.